Welcome to our first segment of Qualicare Newmarket TV with Richard Henniger, the Executive Director of Qualicare Family Homecare Newmarket. Welcome, Richard.
Thanks for having me.
So the first question would be, what is Qualicare and who could benefit from Qualicare's services?
Yeah, Qualicare is a home care company, so we've got a team of personal support workers and nurses that go out into the community and provide a variety of services for our clients. Generally our clients fall into one of three categories. We have clients that maybe in hospital, need a little extra support in hospital and then with that transition home. We have clients who are looking to remain independent at home, maybe considering the retirement home, nursing home, but not quite ready for that option. And then we deal with complex conditions, so complex chronic illness, palliative end-of-life care as well.
Okay, so helping people to remain independent at home, so what would that look like?
Well, it would start with an assessment. So we'd get a call from a client or a client family. And generally what we want to do is we want to come out and understand the situation better. So we'll come out to the family's home. Generally we sit around the kitchen table and we're going to work to get an understanding of the medical history, current medical conditions, but then also just understand what are all the other things we can be helping with in the home. And that could be things like meal preparation, laundry, light housekeeping, so a range of things.
So it must be difficult for people to accept this kind of help, you coming into the home.
Yeah, and if you think about it, you're inviting a stranger into the home, and when we're talking about certainly personal care, bathing, those sorts of tasks, it's a fairly intimate care requirement, so it can be difficult at the beginning. One of the things that we really strive for is that continuity of care, so having the same caregivers come in over and over again. So although it can be difficult on the first few visits, they build a relationship and build that trust over time.
Okay. So what if home happens to be a retirement home? Does that change anything?
No, not really. We phrase it home care, but it's wherever home happens to be. So generally we're going into a private house, but that could just as well be a retirement home, long-term care facility, or the hospital.
Okay, all right, that sounds good. So what areas does Qualicare cover?
So my office in particular, we cover from Aurora in the south right up through Barrie and Georgina in the north. We go west to Alliston and King City, east to Mount Albert and Uxbridge. And there's other Qualicare offices as well. So if somebody's outside of that territory but still needs some assistance, they can still call me and we'll get them pointed in the right direction.
Okay, so for the people watching the video, how would they get started?
Yeah, so it's as simple as a phone call to me. So they can call me at the office and we'll have an initial conversation, move from there, or they can find us online and submit an inquiry through the website as well.
Okay, and excellent. And then of course you can always follow Qualicare Newmarket on Google+, YouTube, and on Facebook. And make sure you stay tuned for our next segment. Thank you, Richard.